Hey guys, this is Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and this is Toddler Time for babies and toddlers birth to 2.5. So let's get started. Can you clap your hands? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we clap and sing hello. Let's wave. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we wave and sing hello. And now let's stomp our feet. Yes, we stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we stomp and sing hello. Good job. All right, can you pat your shoulders like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get the rhythm of our shoulders. Let's get the rhythm of our shoulders. Let's get the rhythm of our shoulders. Big boulders. Let's get the rhythm of our shoulders. Good. Now, can you do the same rhythm on your feet? Let's get the rhythm of our feet. Let's get the rhythm of our feet. Let's get the rhythm of our feet. How neat. Let's get the rhythm of our feet. Good job. Same rhythm on your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get the rhythm of our heads. Let's get the rhythm of our heads. Let's get the rhythm of our heads. Oh, dread. Let's get the rhythm of our heads. Good. And now let's do the same rhythm on our knees. Let's get the rhythm of our knees. Let's get the rhythm of our knees. Let's get the rhythm of our knees, if you please. Let's get the rhythm of our knees. Good job, guys. I think all of these songs come from Jayberry. Check them out. So, do you remember Row, Row, Row Your Boat with the parachute? That was so much fun. But until we can do Toddler Time in the library again, we don't have to have a parachute to do that song. So, take a seat, grab your oars, and we're going to row our boat. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. All right, here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Roar! Good job. Row, row, row your boat gently down the creek. If you see a little mouse, don't forget to squeak. Squeak, 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 squeak. Good job. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you see a polar bear, don't forget to shiver. Row, row, row your boat gently down the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Roar! Good job. All right, let's read this lovely little book. It's called I'm the Biggest Thing in the Ocean by Kevin Sherry. And it's about a big blue squid. So a squid is a lot like an octopus, but see, this is a giant squid. So in this case, this is going to be a squid that is much, much bigger than an octopus. And he really wants to tell you about that. Here we go. I'm a giant squid, and I'm blue. I'm bigger than these shrimp. Well, it doesn't take that much to be bigger than shrimp. I'm bigger than these clams. Sure. I'm bigger than this crab. Okay. I'm bigger than that jellyfish. I'm bigger than these turtles. How many turtles are there? Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm even bigger than this octopus. I'm bigger than that shark. We don't want the shark to know we're here. Even though he's way bigger than the shark. Shark is still scary. I'm the biggest thing in the ocean. Oh, what's that? Oh no. What is it? It's a whale. And it ate our squid, our giant squid. Oh no. Oh. That whale ate everybody. Who is all there inside that whale? There's some shrimp. There's some little fish. What's that? Turtle and a jellyfish down there. It's hard to see, but that's the octopus. Look, there's a puffer fish here and this big scary fish. I wonder if this is supposed to be a barracuda. I am not sure. Oh, I think he's got an idea. He's smiling. I'm the biggest thing inside this whale. That squid is silly. Thank you for joining us, guys. Let's clap goodbye. We clap goodbye like this. We clap goodbye like this. With our friends at Toddler Time, we clap goodbye like this. Let's wave. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. With our friends at Toddler Time, we wave goodbye like this. And now the most fun part, let's stomp. Here we go. We stomp goodbye like this. We stomp goodbye like this. With our friends at Toddler Time, we stomp goodbye like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.